You know, if you guys are running with your carpet, if you guys are running with your carpet floor mats that come stock with the Cybertruck, I would recommend you change them, especially if you live like we do, getting them muddy, getting them dirty. So Miss Ayla here today is going to do the unboxing for us. So let's check them out. First time, we haven't opened them yet.
Okay guys, so we're about to open these. Looks like they have some little tabs here. We're gonna go ahead and pop open. It's like box just pulls. Looks like it comes with a little plastic cover here. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this out. It's a little heavy.
Yeah, I might have to help. All right, it's a lot of weight. Yeah.
Damn.
You pull on this and you pull on those. How's that sound? We're gonna work together. These are heavy and big. They're sticking to everything because they got those nice little knobs to stick to your carpet. There we go.
Already can tell it's nice and durable here. It has these little pokey things that make sure it stays on that carpet. Let's go ahead and open it up a little. See what else is in here. Looks like we got some nice floor mats. Looks like it comes with a carpeted option and a weathered option.
Both options with this.
Pretty
guys.
Interesting. It's really cool.
I wasn't expecting that.
Look at that.
Those are
Texture
sharp.
for your feet here.
It's got the nice logo. Oh yeah, this is where your the back of your foot sits. So they put a lot of extra padding here, because you know how that just tears right through regular carpet.
Right, prevent your foot from sliding
Look at that. How do these attach?
So it looks like they're those little clip things.
Oh, they just press on.
Just like how it goes into your other car.
That's a lot thicker than what you get with the Cybertruck out of the factory.
It's pretty durable too. Well, that's cool. Set this here for now.
Let's see, what does it say? Just real quick.
So it says that your floor mats could come a little bit bended, but with heat and time, they will automatically heal themselves to fit the vehicle.
Okay, good deal.
Looks like here's this other one here. It's like
That's
the passenger
side. Pretty slick.
Still really good quality.
Ooh, look at this, guys. Nice big Cybertruck logo. Like that.
That's cool. Same clips here.
How they kept the carpet on the lower section and still kept the rubber on the top if you use the carpet option.
Right.
This is like summertime. Take this off in wintertime. Oh yeah, we got that with the other one.
Oh cool, it says Jasmine.
They smell really good, by the way. We used them in the motel. We needed
Motel did not smell good, guys. Those do. Ooh, so is this...
That looks like it goes down in the storage compartment. So we're gonna have to clear some items out of the back of my truck so we can show you what that looks like.
Super durable.
Wow, it's nice and thick.
Right? Has big edges to it. It's like there's this big long one here. This looks like it goes in the front.
Yep. That is for the front.
Looks like it slides out. You wanna hold that?
Yeah.
Ooh, a little logo here.
Well, there's the unboxing. Pretty nice. Impressive carpet.
You're right, I really like the way the carpet.
Expecting the carpet. Look, more logos.
Oh, look, here's another Cybertruck. Pretty sweet.
Yeah. So
this is the big one for the back here on the bottom.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and change them out.
Okay guys, so we cleaned out the trunk here. We are getting ready to put this into that extra storage here. So we're gonna go ahead and try that now. Go ahead and slide that in there, like it fits really nicely. And what I noticed as well is that I think you could still fit these in here. We're gonna go ahead and try that now. Look at that.
Perfect.
Perfect fit.
Still can use the dividers.
So do these come with the Cybertruck, or are these an accessory you can buy online?
These are the ones that I bought online. So these are directly from Tesla. The only little Cybertruck logo I see is way up in the nose up there. That's it. You get a little one there.
Right there? Yeah. Yep. It's super tiny though.
Yeah. So
let's take these old ones out and see how these new ones fit. Go ahead and just throw this thing out of here. Ooh. All right. This thing is massive, guys, which is always a good thing. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, it's already really clean, and it's hard to move because it really does just stick onto that carpet. So it's gonna take a little bit of maneuvering here. And it's hard to move, guys. It's really in there. See that logo here? And there's no Cybertruck logo on this, but once you pop this, super simple, by the way.
Ooh,
look at that.
Fancy.
That Cybertruck logo here. And it looks like it's super easy to actually take the carpet out if you wanted to. You can see here, has 4 of these little clips. I don't want to break it, hold on.
Yeah, lift from underneath.
There we go.
Good fit.
And you can see,
yeah, let's just do half.
This is that half Cybertruck logo. Looking really good, sleek on the side here. Fits really well. And look at that, and you got that clean Cybertruck logo here. Okay guys, so here we are with the original Tesla. They're not the original, they're accessory version, but they're the Teslas.
Just want to point out, you don't get a carpet option if you guys want to just leave the mat in place all the time, and then you just pop the carpet back in.
Step off a little dust before we put it in here. Now look how nice that is. I mean, that went in really well. Let's see how this fits here. Wow. It actually touches this edge here, which is really nice.
Perfect fit there.
And look at that clean carpet look.
I kind of want to leave the carpet in there for
I really like that carpet.
Definitely nicer than the Tesla ones, I think. Are they gizmo approved? Yeah.
He was laying on him a minute ago.
Laying on it. Yeah, nice and soft for the doggy to lay on.
But let's go to the front here. Go ahead and remove this old one here. That thing out of there. Need a real floor mat. Get this cleaned off. All right, let's try and fit it in here. Let's get a good angle. So it looks like you just slide it on up and you push it on in the sides here. Look how clean that looks with all the angles and stuff. I just love it.
I do like it a lot.
And if you want, show this side again. Look at that. Without it in here. And it even actually has another textured option below.
It does, look at that.
Mimicking that carpet.
Keep your foot from slipping.
We're loving it already. Let's go to the front here and try this new insert out. And it has this little lip here you want to keep out so that you can pull it out easily. But look at that fit here. Time to get them dirty. See how they withstand, and then we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to clean them.
Okay guys, so we're gonna test the durability of it. We've taken the frunk mat out, and Ayla's thrown some rocks in it. We're gonna kick it underneath this tire. We're gonna put some dirt on it. We're gonna get a little muddy with a hose. We're gonna simulate like we've been out four-wheeling, and we're gonna run it over with the Cybertruck tire.
Let's do it.
Let's kick some of that mud. Wait, what's that? There's a dangly up there.
We got a little dingleberry action going on.
We could say that.
That out of there.
There you go. Kick some mud
well,
down on that.
Look at that, guys. Look at it get all muddy.
Let's get it muddy. Yeah. Let's get all that mud on there. That's from our Cybertruck off-roading adventure. All right. Ooh, these are nice in here. Woo, fancy.
Straight back. Okay, you're on it now.
How's that? Am I grinding it?
Grinding it. Look at that.
That's a lot of weight on there. Am I off?
Look at that, untouched.
We grinded the wheel on it. Let's see how it did. Coming out. I'm gonna rinse it off.
Look at that. That's where that wheel was, guys. I mean, you really can't even tell. Look how much mud that is.
We'll let Ayla rinse it off and
right.
I'll film it. I would think thered be some damage with
that
that's big old tire on there.
Big old truck
but
here.
Let's see.
I'm gonna hold that up.
Yeah, we'll rinse it off. Look how easy that rinses off.
Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness.
Wait a minute. Are you serious?
There's no damage.
Not even a mark?
No. Look at that.
Not even a mark?
Not even a mark, guys.
What? The only thing I think I see where it kind of pushed in with the weight.
Right.
But I don't see any damage.
But I think with the heat, it'll kind of heal itself.
Well, let's shake it off.
Yeah, here.
And then I think you'd just be able to put it right back in there and let's just see. And like you said, Ayla, it's probably a little bit of a self-healing. I mean, you just drove on it with a truck.
Literally.
Not your feet, not your boots.
Sorry guys, some
All right.
blonde difficulties over here.
Now let's go ahead and see how that fits right back
I mean,
in. Seriously.
What did you drive over? Nothing. Sorry, that's my dirty hands over here.
You can see a tiny bit of the weight had pressed in, but like I said, I don't think that's. I think it'll be gone in the heat. It'll come right back. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, I don't think we can ever drive over a mat and it'd be untouched.
No.
I mean, that's awesome, guys. Look at that.
And how easy to clean.
I mean, it's just a couple sprays.
Yeah, it's just.
And you drove over with a truck.
Yeah, cool.
Look at that.
Yeah, I'd definitely give it a thumbs up, guys, if you want to order some of these. They're going to be tough, and I'm going to leave them in. I'm going to take my Tesla ones out. I literally drove right over it, grinded it in, and it only just put a little indent in the rubber. But like I said, I'm pretty sure that's going to work its way out with the heat, just like it says in the instructions.
Now slide it out.
Zoomed out enough. There we go. Gonna help you with that. There we go. Nice little traction pads on this side, I see.
Looks like it holds it to the truck bed.
That out. There we go. Okay, so here are your cutouts for your tie downs, guys. If you want, it looks like you just take a little razor blade, cut those out. There you go. Look at that. Nice. And you can easily pull this out, clean it, and wash it. And like I said, that'll mold down once it
It's
gets
been folded
warm.
for probably a couple
It's been sitting in
weeks.
its packaging for a long time. So
looks good
there
though.
it is. And one last thing that I have a problem with is all the dust coming up on the dirt roads and this gap here. So you can pull the mat back slightly and it does seal pretty good here. Especially when you get some weight or something in here, it's going to keep a lot of that dust from building up inside.
Yeah, I got one on the edge. There you go. See if this works so well.
Yeah. Just like the way they look. They look better for a Cybertruck. They're more of those angles and style of the Cybertruck. They look nice. And they smell really nice. They don't smell... That's another thing. They don't smell like rubber. They actually smell nice. It's interesting. Never experienced that before.
3W provides premium floor mats for Tesla vehicles such as the Cybertruck, Model 3, and Model Y. From September 9th to September 30th, 3W is celebrating their brand day. Order through the link below to get up to 35% off on the official website and up to $50 off on Amazon. Plus, register on 3W's official website to claim extra surprise gifts. Don't miss out on these limited time offers. Thanks for watching MountainTesla here. Here's the guy himself.
It's my daughter, Ayla.
Nice to see you guys again.
Thanks for coming along and checking out these mats with us. This is our first collab. We gave you our honest opinion on these and they are tough and I do like them. They will stay in my truck. Check out the link below in the description for your discount to get yourself some of these. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one.